the time chose to land, but they can't touch the promise we made hand in hand.